Studios presents Two Things Fighting. I don't know what the red one is. The blue one looks ugly, and the red one looks uglier, I guess. So the red one just died. No, he's going around in circles, but the blue one is running towards him. And ooh, that must be a mating call. The red one, what's he doing? Just walking. The blue one. Why did he fall? Why is he falling? Ooh, he fell too. Let's get a closer look at the action.